Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your sub-users in your owner dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard by selecting the drop-down menu in the top right. Once in your dashboard, go to Profile and then select Sub-Users in the drop-down menu. A sub-user is someone you can grant access to your SharePlant account. You can set permissions for the sub-user once you have created their account. To create the account, select Add User. Fill out the fields with your sub-user's details. There are 3 buttons on the right. One allows you to change the password, one allows you to edit the account, the other allows you to set and edit the permissions. The permissions is the one with the lock icon. Select this to set your permissions. To set a permission, select where it says None to change the status. You will have 3 permission options. These are None, Read Only, and Read and Write. If you would like to allow your sub-user access to everything, you may select the Apply to All button. However, make sure to read through all of them so you are sure about what you are giving your sub-user access to. Once the account is set up, you will be taken back to your owner users. You have now completed your sub-user's setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.